Hi, this is Romeo the professor. Good morning, good day, my students, future students, my friends, and families. I'm going to talk to you today regarding a pool. See this pool, Larix USDC. It's paying 1,290%. Right now, it's October 21st. Okay, I've been saying this and people just don't believe me, so I'm doing it again. Orca is an exchange, it's a pool, it's staking. Okay, so I have this Phantom wallet right here. Phantom wallet, I just now sent $5,000 worth of Solana here. So it says 4,971. 4,971. So I'm going to buy 2,500 Larix and then 2,500 USDC so that I can put 5,000 in here. All right. So first thing I got buy Larix. So I click L, Larix right here. So I got Solana 26. So I'll do 11. It's extremely high price. Wow, extremely high price. Extremely high price. So I'm gonna have to do it, but let me see if I could do it low. Ah, let's see if it was USD. If it'd be less. Hold on, 7. Yeah, buying Larix is just high. It's charging close to 4%, so it's whatever. So I gotta do it. Okay, so that's 12. I gotta pay this fee, so 2,232, and I'm getting 2,144. So it's charging me $100. So I click setup. I have to pay it. My name is Romeo the professor. Follow, subscribe, share, and like this video. But I'm doing the first setup. So I'm going to make half Larix and then half USDC for my Solana. That's why I did 12, okay? So now it's set up. Now I do the exchange. And now I press approve with my Phantom wallet, okay? So now that's done. So if you look here, you should see that I have Larix now in my Phantom wallet. So let's see where it's at. Oh, it's not. It's there, but it's just not showing. Whoa, where's Larix? Oh, it should have popped up. Right here, see 2,100. So now I'm going to do USDC, and I'm going to make sure it's at least 2,100. So I do 12 to 2,200, and they're giving me excellent price. So I'm only being charged about $12 here. So I approve. To be in a pool, half got to be the coin and half got to be the other coin to be in a pool. All right, so you're about to see it. So now, if you look here, you'll see I have about 2,000 in USDC. See, 2,200 and Larix 2,100. So I'm gonna click pool right here. So now I click pool. See, it says Larix. To join, you need to pool. So I click deposit, and then 27 to 30. See, and then I press this, and I'm gonna screenshot. So basically what's happening, I'm putting 4,337 and I should be receiving 4,590 if it stays at 1,270 APR, okay? And that's today, October 21st, 2021, okay? Now, Orca says Orca form will change on November 4th. So anytime it's gonna change, I normally travel that day so I can be prepared to get into these harvesting. Okay, so now it says it's gonna pay me 0.69 Orca per 1,000. So now it's there. Your liquidity, it's here, but I need a double dip because it says double dip to get this 945%. So I'm going to click double dip here. And then I'm going to click, I gotta find it, hold on. Harvest, ABR, hold on, where is it? Where is it? Double dip right here, bam. I click approve. So now it goes all the way to the top. So now you see it. Where is it? It should be popping here soon. Give me a second. Larix, where is it? Right there. So you see I have 4,330 Larix now. Okay? So that's how you buy, do a pool. So now what is Larix? So we click over here. Here's Larix. Larix right now is at 0.07, right around 7 cents, about 8 cents. So where we go, we say today the volume, just today alone, the price went 15% from 0.07. Well, it says it's 0.07. It was a price change 24 hours. It was 0.01. Now it's 0.07. That's 15%. Okay, I apologize. The price was at 0.068. But what's important is you want to see where it was all-time high. So about a month ago, it was at 0.10. So 10 cents. Okay, so now Larix, when I go to the website here, you click on it, you'll see what the project is. It's Project Larix, about Larix. Larix is the ultimate lending gateway on Solana, adopted a dynamic interest rate model and created more capital efficient risk management pools. As such as broad selection of collateral type, crypto tokens, stablecoin, synthetics. Okay, so the first lending protocol with mining functionality, the first lending protocol. Okay, so we understand that. So let's go to the market. Okay, so total market value, all that, all market. So let me show you what it means. So let's go to dashboard so you can have an understanding. So it's saying if you supply sold, they'll pay 5% on your money. But if you borrow it, you're borrowing it at 6%. So they're making about 1%. So if you want to borrow Tether, they're paying you interest rate of 12.99, but you're borrowing at APY here. So you supply the money and you get interest and someone borrows it. So that's how it works. But this is a good ratio. So they need USDT. That's what they're saying. Okay? So you kind of have an understanding. It's a lending protocol. And then we see the markets. Okay, MSOL, it says total supply, total borrowed so far. So they supplied about 146. This is what borrowed. Tether, they need this. Supplied 53 million and borrowed so far 18 million. So people could borrow. Okay, you can borrow. So total supply, total borrow. So now you understand it. All right, market, liquidation, Larix. Okay, so now you have an understanding of how it works. Okay, so if I want to borrow, it has it here. So if let's just say I want to borrow US Tether, I click borrow. I'm just giving an example. Yes, I think it froze on me. Hold on. I had to put Larix. I haven't put Larix in, that's why. But I could supply, because I would have to put Larix, and I don't have Larix right now. But you have an idea. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share. So exchange, pool, and all pool right now you see Larix is paying 1,180%. Follow, subscribe, share, like. Thank you. I'm out.